What are you reading?
Don Quixote, the part about the windmills.
The one where he battled against the giants?
Yes, he mistook some windmills for giants and attacked them.
That Quixote was really courageous. He attacked those giants in order to defend his love.
Well, he had a lot of imagination.
If I had lived during that time, I would have also been a knight errant. I would have used Dino as my horse. I would have been invincible. I would have been admired and respected by everyone.
Telmo, stop the dreaming and let's get started.
Just a moment. I want to race you. Whoever gets to the table first wins.
All right, on my count.
Whenever you want.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
And I won!
That's not fair. You were closer to the door that leads to the attic.
Yeah, but you counted.
Well, now whoever gets to the computer first. Yeah. Good for Super Tula.
Doesn't count. You didn't give me any time to get ready.
All right. So then we're tied.
Let's break the tie. Whoever gets to the table first wins again. Go! I won!
Shall we leave it as a tie?
All right, Tula. And what project are we doing today?
What do you say we make some windmills?
Like the ones in the Quixote book?
Well, similar to those.
Awesome! And then we'll attack them as though they were giants.
Well, we'll see about that. Let's look at the materials we need. Sheets of paper.
White glue.
Scissors.
A ruler.
A pencil.
A clip.
We need a cork.
A little wooden stick.
Now let's look at the first part of the project. We grab 2 colored sheets of paper and we stick them together. And if they're not square-shaped, we cut off the leftover piece. We use a pencil to draw 4 diagonal lines almost to the center. We cut along the lines we have drawn, but we don't go all the way to the center.
Oh, wow. I forgot that I got a bag of sunflower seeds yesterday. You want some?
Yes, they're really good.
Paquito, they're not for you. You have some in your cage. Paquito, get off the table because we have to cut the paper. You want some seeds? We'll get some if you can.
Telmo, don't be mean. Just leave Paquito alone.
I'm going to give you a chance. You can keep the bag if you can beat me at a race. I'm going to place the bag in the back of the room. Whoever gets there first gets to keep it. Tula, hold on to Paquito while I place the bag there. When I say 3, let him go. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's really fast.
Oops, I didn't know Paquito was so fast. Must be very hungry.
Well, we'll have to buy more seeds.
Let's continue with the second part of our project.
We put glue on 4 alternating corners. Glue on one corner and not on the other. We fold the corners towards the middle and we place one on top of the other. We hold this down for a moment so that they stick together well. We grab a clip and we give it shape. We grab the cork and we cut it in half. We pass the clip through the windmill and the corks and the little wooden stick. I think it's best that grown-up help us for this part.
Yes, it's really hard to bend the clip. Let's go for him. Grown up!
Grown-up, can you bend the clip like it says in the diagram?
Don't worry about it, grown up. We have more. Take this other one.
Goodness gracious, it is really difficult.
Where'd he go?
Don't know. Maybe he went to go get some special tool. Very good, grown-up. It came out perfect.
Now you have to help us mount the windmill on the little wooden stick.
I don't know where grown-up went.
He must have a secret lab with the latest technology. Thank you, grown-up. You're the best. There's nothing you can't do.
We're going to do a few more. We'll get it ready and then call for you. They came out really nice. Let's give them a try.
But there's no wind inside of here.
That's why we have grown-up.
All right, grown-up.
Grown-up, we're going to try out the windmills. Can you blow for us?
Grown-up, a little harder, please.
Great, that's better. Look how they turn now.
Grown-up, much harder, much harder, much harder.
Wow, this time it's really working well.
How amazing! We were flying like comets.
Well, my friends, that's all. May the wind be on your side.
Better yet, may our grown-up be on your side. See you soon!